Hello everyone. Recently I made a video on objections of assistant professor physics paper where I discussed about the objections which we can raise based on the provisional key which was published in KEA website. After that video I got many comments and mails and we had a good discussion and we realized that there are few more questions on which we can raise objections. And I personally also realized about few more questions on which we can raise the objections. I was just analyzing the question paper and again. So I realized that we can raise objections, few more objections. Totally, I am finding that there are around 15 questions on which we can raise objections. I shall discuss about those questions in this video. Okay. Hopefully this will help us so that we can all together raise the objections with the authentic proofs. We can mail it to KEA. Okay, let us start then. First question. In my last video, I somehow missed this, but when I discussed the question paper, then only in the first video of this playlist, I had told that this is an incomplete question. Of course, this is an incomplete question. The complete question is that a nuclear power reactor generates electric power of 100 megawatt, which they have given in the question, but then they have not told for which fuel it is. So one cannot guess things and solve the question. So this is an incomplete question. Even Mr. Omkar, he had commented in the previous video. In fact, he had told me about many things. Not only he, there are few more people who have commented and we had a good discussion on this regarding which are the questions on which we can raise more objections. Okay. So for sure this is an incomplete question. You can raise the objection, but you need to have a authentic proof. I am also working on it to find the authentic proofs. Right now I am getting proofs from the websites. So I can have links. We can give links, but then I am told that we need to have the authentic proof with the book and the author name. Then we can click the pictures of that page and then we can attach it. So I am also working on it. We have less time. So let's all together do it. I will do it on myself also. You also, as much as possible, you all gather the authentic proofs and you mail by your email IDs. Actually, I had already mailed, but I don't know if I can mail it second time. Anyway, I will mail it. Then if you all also mail, maybe then there will be more weightage, right? If there are more number of people, then they will also find the reasons. They will also put focus on whether really the questions they are need to be objected or no. So I have made table as I told in the previous video also. In this way we have made the table. For this first question, the question paper which I am following is the version code A4. The published answer key, that is the provisional key, is option D. Okay, no problem, the answer is right, but the question is incomplete. That's why we can ask for grace marks. Okay, next question is question number 6. Mr. Shri Prasad, he has commented on this. He had told that yeah, of course, actually see, when I did this video of the first part, then only I told that pair production is the right answer. But now when they have published the key, they are telling that answer B is right. So I think if we have a good authentic proof that pair production can only occur if the incident photon energy is at least 1.022 MeV, then we can raise the objection for this question also. Then next question is question number 8. Yeah, I agree with you, Mr. Sri Prasad. Actually, I had made a small short video wherein about radioactivity, wherein I was talking about the alpha, beta and gamma decay. I had pinned the link of that video also in the previous video. Here actually in place of positron there should be electron. Then only we can say that this is a beta decay and the beta minus decay and the gamma-Teller transition. Okay. Someone also told me in the comments that whether this is a Fermi transition. No, this is not a Fermi transition, because in Fermi transition the atomic number decreases. Here in lithium the atomic number is increasing from 2 to 3. So yes, we can raise the objection on this question also. And because the question is wrong, instead of electron there is a positron, then we can ask for grace marks. Okay, of course we have to enclose the authentic justification file also. That's why in all my rows I have written that details in enclosed justifications file in page number also. It's better that we write the page number also. Okay, next question. Mr. Omkar, he had also told about question number 17 that we don't know what is U plus. I had told in that part 1 video only, we don't know what is U plus, but then it will not be anything which is having charge 2, isn't it? So probably it should be lepton number only. So I am not raising objection on this question. Still, if you get any authentic proof, then you can. But I am not getting any proof to prove that this question is wrong. So I think I will go with lepton number. Then next question is question number 20. This I only realized somehow. No one told me about this in the comment section, or I did not discuss it with anyone. I was just reading the question again. See, in the question, a copper wire is stretched to make it 0.5% longer. Okay, they have told in percentage 0.5%. Then they are asking that the percentage change in its electric resistance. Means they are asking percentage change. They are not asking a number. Then why do we convert this 1% into 100 again? If they were asking a number, then we would multiply this 1 by 100. Instead of percent symbol, we would write 100 and then our answer would be 100. But they are asking in percentage only, right? So the answer should be 1%. I also got a proof of this explanation. It is a web page actually. It is from 12th standard, right? We get many answers from 12th standard portion in the Google only. We get many answers on that. But then if you are getting any authentic proof from textbook, then it will be great. Okay, so please, you who are interested, please object this question also. So the published answer key in the provisional key is option D, 100. But I am asking for grace marks because percentage change is 1, which is not in the options. Next question is question number 27. AKP Academy. Actually, he only told me that we need to have authentic proof. I didn't know about this. Regarding this question number 27, of course, in my video only I had explained, I had solved this sum also. I think we can have authentic proof of this question easily in any book of SET exam or NET exam. So you can click a picture of that solved problem, and then you can write the name of the author, and then you can claim for objections on this. So they are telling that option A, omega naught A by 2 is right, but we have calculated and we found out that it is omega naught A by root 2. So option B will be the right answer. Next, moving on is question number 29. Yes, of course, I have told about this in the last video of the objections also. We have calculated it. It is a simple formula for conductivity. I have found it in a textbook also. Here this intrinsic resistance was given, which is inversely proportional to conductivity, and then it involves Ne and mobility of electron and hole. We sum it and then it is as simple as it. But I don't know why they are giving option C as answer. They are giving 2.22. And nowhere we are getting this number. Okay, even here also we are getting 1.856, which is approximately near to 1.92. So that's why we are asking option A, or else 1.85 is not there in any of the options, because see, in the options they have given till 2 decimal places, right? So when they are giving in 2 decimal places, then we should get accurate answer, isn't it? So one can also ask for grace marks because 1.856 is not there in the options. But still I am proposing answer key as option A because it is nearby 1.92. Okay. So you can raise objections on this also. See, one thing I want to tell that please don't wait for anyone to raise the objections. Of course, I will also raise the objections. We have time till day after tomorrow evening. As much as possible, collect the proofs. And don't think that, okay, she will raise the objections, then why should I? Or he will raise the objections, then why should I? Don't think that. What I am saying is, please, whatever you feel, you raise the objections. After all, it is the matter of your career, right? You have worked hard. You have, I am sure that you have written the exams going out of cities. Many of your people must have gone out of station, isn't it? Because this exam was not conducted in all the cities. It was conducted in only few major cities, isn't it? So after working hard so much, why do you keep quiet if the questions or the options are wrong? This is a mistake from their side, isn't it? Then it is better that we fight for right thing. So please don't wait for anyone. You all raise the objections personally by your email IDs. Okay. Okay, moving on. Next question, question number 40. Regarding Simpson's rule, I also told in my part 1 video while solving this question paper, I also told that it is h raised to 4. But then I am not getting better proofs. I got only one from Wikipedia. Here also they say by the composite Simpson's rule. Then still it is better we raise the objection. We will get it in a mathematical textbook, in any BSc mathematical textbook we will get it. Okay, this numerical integration Simpson's rule. I don't have exactly that book wherein we can have this proof. Okay. But I'm quite sure that it is h raised to 4. But still, if you are getting proof, please do object on this question also. They are telling that it is h square. I don't know. Actually, for trapezoidal rule, I remember that it was h raised to 4. Simpson's rule also, it must be, I think it is h raised to 4 only. According to Wikipedia also, it is h raised to 4. But then they are telling h square. I don't know. So if you are having authentic proof, then please propose answer key. Okay, I am telling A here. And regarding the table, people were asking me about the enclosed authentic proofs. See, what I am doing is I have made a table. I am going to write it like this in order. It will be a single table in a Word file. And then in place of justifications, I am going to write one single line justification. Then below that I am going to write like this: details in enclosed justifications file. That will be another file. That will be another Word file wherein I have given page number, and I will mention the page numbers here. I don't know what is the exact procedure how people used to do. Maybe if someone is having experience with KSET exam, then they will be knowing. Okay, but this is how I am doing. Then next question is 44. Of course, in my part 2 video of this playlist, I had told it will be 90 degree because P and Q, they will be on the same plane, so they will be perpendicular only. But somehow they are telling that it is 180 degree. I don't understand why. So they have published answer key as option A, but I am proposing option D. Okay, so you will get the authentic proof of this very easily in any of the book. Even in 12th standard book also you will get in the vectors thing. Okay. Then next question. This Mr. Omkar, he told me about this question also. In fact, he mailed me also the solution of this, and one of my good friend, the new friend, because of this videos of the KEA assistant professor question paper solving videos, I met her. She also sent the solution of this Hamiltonian, wherein actually Hamiltonian is directly proportional to Lagrangian. But then if you solve the Hamiltonian, then answer is coming out to be 0. So I think that if the answer is 0, then it is not independent of velocity and is constant. Okay. And nor does it will have one term depending on velocity. Because your answer you are getting 0, then option should be 0 only. I think so. So it's better to propose option C. Okay, it is 0 because you have the solutions, and of course you will get it easily in a textbook also from classical mechanics book. So please you raise the objection on this question also. Then next question is, yes, This I told in the previous video also that it should be radially inward, but then they have published answer key as option B. Let us propose it with authentic proof. If you have, you go ahead. Okay. Next question. The commutation relation for the operator u and d by dx gives. Actually, see, assuming u as a constant, then d by dx of u will be 0, isn't it? If u is a constant, it is not a function of x, right? Then it should be 0. They are not mentioning whether that operator is a function of x or no, whether it is a constant. They have not told anything. So I thought that this is an incomplete question. So I am asking grace marks for this. Either they give 0, because anyone would think that u is not a function of x because it is not mentioned here. Nothing is written as u is a function of something. U they write, isn't it? U, then within brackets they write x or y or something. They have not written anything like that also. So assuming that this is a constant, if someone has assumed that this is a constant, then the answer would be option B, 0. Okay, but then if it is not a constant, then what is the answer? How can answer be -1? I don't know. I am not finding solution for that. So I am asking B or grace marks. It is upon them, whatever they are deciding. Okay. So please, you all also, if you have attempted this question, please you raise the objection. Okay. Next question. In this question, actually see, only there is a difference. Only there is a simple typo error. In place of O, A is written in base. It should be Bose. Okay. But then answer is all right. They have published answer key as C, which is right. But then still I am telling that there is a typo error in the question. It should have been Bose particles rather than base particles. Therefore, we need grace marks. Okay. If you all have also attended the question and your answer is wrong, then you please go ahead and you object on this question also. Next is 111. This actually I am not sure about this question. I solved it, right? I solved it in part 3 of this playlist. I got the answer also as option B. But then in many textbooks they are getting 2 volts only. Option is 2 volts. Option A. This is same as that of which is published in the provisional key by KEA. So maybe I have made some sign mistake or something here. I think so. I don't know. I don't have patience to cross check also. So if you have any authentic proof of this solution, -1 plus root 11 volts, the way I have calculated, if any textbook has calculated like this in the same manner, then you please raise the objection because they have given option A in the provisional key. So if whatever I have solved is right, then option B should be the right answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 124. A material with one dimension in nano range and the other 2 dimensions are large is called. Of course, it is a quantum well. They have published in the key that it is a quantum dot. I don't understand how can a quantum dot have 3 different dimensions. I really don't know. And you will get authentic proof. You will get anywhere you will get about it. Even in Wikipedia, I think you will get it. So I am proposing option D. But the only thing is you need to have the authentic proof. So and someone was also asking me how to raise the objections. See, in the KEA website, they have given one press note, right? So there they have given the instructions, they have given this table the way we have to do, and then we have to write the version code, question number, published answer key, then the answer key which we are proposing, and then justifications. But what is important is whatever justifications we are giving, we have to explain them with authentic proof. Authentic proof means book and the author name. Then you can take the picture of it and then you can enclose it in the mail they have told. So what I am doing is I have made 2 Word files. In one Word file, I have made table like this. Okay. And in other Word file, I am giving the detailed explanations of each justification wherein why I am proposing that answer key. Okay. If I am getting authentic proof of a textbook, then I am clicking the picture of the title page of the textbook. Okay. And then the author page. And then the solved example, the solved solution page, and then the page number of the book for each thing. Then I am copying and pasting it on a Word file. And in that Word file, I have given page numbers. those page numbers I am writing here in justifications column. I am writing like this: details in enclosed justifications file in page number so and so. So this is how I am doing. So if you know a better way, then please go ahead. Okay. And if you have still more objections or if you have still more doubts, please do mail me or feel free to comment below this video. Okay. Let us see till tomorrow evening. I am thinking to wait. I will wait till tomorrow. After this video, after you all watch this video, if you all are getting still more doubts, then please do write in the comment section as soon as possible, or do mail me so that I follow whatever you are telling also and include it in my objections list. And one more problem is I have already mailed them that objection list of the 8 questions, 8 objections, which I discussed in the previous video. I don't know with the same email ID whether they are going to accept the second objection or no. I really don't know, but still I am doing it. So I am telling that you all also do. If there will be majority in objections, then of course they will try to look into it, right? Why there are so many objections? They will also need some justifications as to answer to why there are so many mistakes in a question paper, isn't it? Question paper or answer key. So if we are getting grace marks, or if they are changing the answer key as per our proposals, then we are going to be in benefit only. Okay. All the best. I hope that I helped you with this video. Okay. Thank you.